Yanmar, new tractor, YM series. Take agriculture to the next level. Geolocation by GPS and the tractor's other sensors let you easily and remotely check how and where your tractor is working from your smartphone. Including Yanmar's original SMARTASSIST remote as standard. Tractor's location and work status. Work area. Work time and range. Work logs. Work hours. Check the information from your smartphone at a glance. It also shows problems such as engine overheating. It connects the owner, operator, and our customer service for exact work instructions and continuous operation. Increased work efficiency contributes to your profit.
A sustainable future. Yanmar.